Well, we are now in Wyoming. This is day 3. And I think they're hungry. We're technically at a harvest host, but they are open to the public also. And this is free camping. We didn't get any hookups. If we wanted hookups, it was $15 a night, which that's not bad. The only thing they request is that we buy something at the farm store, which is right over there, across the street. And we already did. We bought some ground chuck. And I bought a t-shirt. So, we're only staying the one night, which is also pretty much a requirement for a place like this. They do offer farm tours, but we decided not to do that. Yeah. Hi. And this is Our Wyoming Life is the name of the place. And it's in Gillette, Wyoming. So we went about 270 some miles today. No. 354. This was a longer day. Tomorrow it's going to be 200 some miles. Not sure. Anyhow, we've been going, but because we're in mountain time, it's only 20 to 4 instead of 20 to 5. So we have a little more relaxation time. Right? Are you relaxing? Are you making sure? Yeah. Oh, the little boy. Yeah. So, we'll talk again. Well, this was our little supervisor, but he evidently found it quite boring. Yeah, is it boring? Yeah, you're not even looking. You're not even looking. Hey, you're not even looking. There we go. Okay, so we have moved to Montana, and we are in a park we've been in before. We were here last autumn. Something different. How about that? We were at the spot where that white trailer is. This is a city park in Columbus, Montana. It's one of those that asks for donations. Darned if I can remember the name of it. It starts with itch. Itch kept something. And this site was open, so we grabbed it, even though it's technically the wrong side. Oh, looks like somebody just left because this wood is smoldering. So, we're gonna stay one night. It's a warm day. 80-ish, maybe even higher now. Certainly feels warmer, especially in the sun. Slight breeze. What's the name of this park?
I can't.
Oh, hold on a minute. Okay, it's Itchkapee Park, a Columbus Kiwanis project. So, has a campground, boat ramp, fishing access. So, you can see we're right over there, straight ahead. And we got here about 20 after 2. We didn't want to get here too late because these are all first come, first serve. And it's a Friday. No, it's Saturday. Duh. It's day 4. Time to start being confused about what day it is. So, anyhow, one night. And on our way tomorrow morning. Talk to you again.